Hello scholars, now today I am going to continue chapter number 11, perimeter and area, and today we will see exercise 11.3. So see question number 1, find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. So first thing is circumference of the circle. So the formula is what? 2 pi r. So see number 1, here it is given 14 centimeter. This is the radius. So we will write the formula. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now put the values. So 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7 and r value is 14. Now simplify. So it will come 88 centimeter. Same as second one. Here radius is given 28 millimeter. So same formula, 2 pi r, put the values, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28. So it will come 176 millimeter. Same as number C, radius is given 21 centimeter. Then circumference formula is 2 pi r, put the values, 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 21. Let's simplify. It will come 132 centimeter. Now see question number 2. Find the area of the following circles given that A. Radius is given 14 millimeter. So area of circle formula is pi r square. Put the values. Pi value is 22 upon 7 and r is given 14. So 14 into 14. Now simplify, it will come 616 millimeter square. Number B, diameter is given 49 meter. So radius is half of the diameter. So 49 upon 2, it will come 24.5. Now area of circle formula, pi r square, put the values, 22 upon 7 into 24.5 into 24.5. Let's simplify. Answer will come 1886.5 meter square. Same as number C, radius is given 5 centimeter. So area of circle formula pi r square, it will come 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5. Answer is 550 upon 7 centimeter square. Number 3, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. See the solution. Circumference of the circular sheet formula 2 pi r and this is given 154 meter. So r is equal to 154 upon 2 into pi. Put the values of pi. It will come 154 upon 2 into 22 upon 7. Okay. Now simplify. So answer will come 24.5 meter. Now write area formula because we have to find the area. So area of circular sheet is equal to pi r square. So pi is 22 upon 7 into 24.5 into 24.5. Let's simplify. Answer is 1886.5 meter square. So the radius and the area of circular sheet are 24.5 meter and 1886.5 meter square. Now see question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Now see solution. So diameter is given 21 meter. So radius is 21 upon 2 meter. Now write circumference formula 2 pi r. Put the values 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21 upon 2. Let's simplify. So circumference of circular garden is 66 meter. Now the gardener makes 2 rounds of fence. So the total length of the rope of fencing, it will come 2 into 2 pi r. Because 2 rounds, that's why we have to multiply 2. So 2 into 6, it will come 132 meter. Now the cost of 1 meter rope is rupees 4. So cost of 132 meter rope, it will come 4 into 132. Answer is 528 rupees. Now see question number 6. Seema wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. So the diameter of the circular table cover, it is 1.5 meter given. So radius is 1.5 upon 2 meter. So first find the circumference. So 2 into pi value is given in the bracket 3.14 into r is 1.5 upon 2. Now simplify. So it will come 4.71 meter. So the length of the required lace is 4.71 meter. Now we have to find the cost. So cost of 1 meter lace is equal to rupees 15. So cost of 4.71 meter lace, it will come 15 into 4.71. So it will come rupees 70.65. So the cost of 4.71 meter lace is rupees 70.65 paise. Now see question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. Diameter of the circular table, this is given 1.6 meter. So radius is 1.6 upon 2 means 0.8 meter. Now area of circular tabletop, formula is pi r square. Put the values 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. So it will come 2.0096 meter square. Now cost of 1 meter square polishing, rupees 15. So cost of 2.0096 meter square polishing will come rupees 30.14. Now question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Let's see the solution. So here radius of circular sheet is given 14 cm and radius of smaller circle is given 3.5 cm and length of rectangle, this is given 3 cm and breadth is given 1 cm. So see area of remaining sheet. So first we will find the area of circular sheet, and in this one we will subtract area of two smaller circle plus area of rectangle. So first write the formulas. So area of circle, formula is pi r square minus area of two smaller circles. So two circles, that's why 2 into, and area we have to write, so area is pi r square plus area of rectangle, formula L into B. Now put the values. So it will come 22 upon 7 into 14 minus in bracket 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 minus 3 into 1. Now let's simplify. So this 7 and 14 we can cut. 7 2s are 14. So area of circular sheet will come 616 and this side it will come 80. Now subtract. So it will come 536 centimeter square. So the area of remaining sheet is 536 centimeter square. Now see question number 12. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. So circumference is given and we have to find area. So let's see. Circumference formula 2 pi r and the circumference is given 31.4 centimeter. So 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. So r is equal to 31.4 upon 2 into 3.14. Simplify, so it will come 5 centimeter. Now area of the circle formula pi r square. So pi value 3.14 into 5 into 5. So it will come 78.5 centimeter square. So the radius and the area of the circle are 5 centimeter and 78.5 centimeter square. Now let's see question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? So first, the diameter is given 66 meter. It means the radius is 33 meter. Okay. Now radius of circular flower bed with 4 meter wide path is given. So we will add radius and this 4 meter we will add. Okay. So 33 plus 4, it will come 37 meter. This is the radius of the flower bed with 4 meter wide path. Now according to the question, area of path, this will come area of bigger circle minus area of a smaller circle. So formula we can write pi into capital R square minus pi into small r square. So in both pi is common. So in bracket left what? R square minus small r square. Now put the values. So capital R value is 37 and small r value is 33. So 37 square minus 33 square. Let's simplify. So answer will come 879.20 meter square. So the area of the path is 879.2 meter square. Now see question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? Let's see the solution. Circular area by the sprinkler. Formula is pi r square. Put the values 3.14 into 12 into 12. So it will come 452.16 meter square. So area of the circular flower garden, this is given 314 meter square. So area of the circular flower garden, this is smaller than area by sprinkler. So the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Now see question number 15. Find the circumference of the inner and the outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. So see the figure. Here radius of outer circle is given 19 meter. So the circumference of outer circle 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 19. It will come 119.32 meter. Now radius of inner circle, this is given 10 meter. So circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 9. It will come 56.52 meter. So the circumference of inner and outer circles are 56.52 meter and 119.32 meter. Now see question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? So in 1 hour, minute hand complete 1 round. Means 1 full circle. So radius of the circle, this is given 15 centimeter. So circumference 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 15. It will come 94.2 centimeter. So the tip of the minute hand moves 94.2 centimeter in 1 hour. So scholars, your exercise 11.3 completed. Now see exercise 11.4. Now see the question number 1. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectare. So you can see the figure here. Length is given 90 meter and breadth is given 75 meter. So outer length of rectangular garden, it will come 90 plus 5 both the sides. So it will come 100 meter. Same as breadth. This is given 75 and both the sides 5 meter. So total is 85 meter. So the outer area of rectangular garden will come length into breadth, means 100 into 85. So it will come 85 100 meter square. Now inner area of garden without path, L into B. So 90 into 75, it will come 67.50 meter square. So the area of the path, we will subtract both the answer. Means 8500 minus 6750. So it will come 1750 meter square. And as we know that 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectares. So this 6750 meter square we will divide by 10,000. So it will come 0.675 hectares. Now see question number 4. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find number 1 the area of the veranda, and number 2 the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. So see the solution. Length is given 5.5 meter and width is given 4 meter. So the length of room with veranda, it will come 5.5 meter plus 2.25 plus 2.25 means the total is 10 meter. Same the width of room with veranda 4 plus both the side 2.25 meter. So it will come 8.5 meter. So area of veranda will come area of room with veranda minus area of room without veranda. Okay, means the area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. So the formula is L into B. So in ABCD 10 into 8.5, so it will come 85, and EFGH it will come 5.5 into 4 means 22. So 85 minus 22 it will come 63 meter square. Now we have to find the cost. So cost of cementing 1 meter square, the floor of veranda is rupees 200. So cost of cementing 63 meter square, the floor of veranda will come 200 into 63 means 12,600. This is the answer. Now see question number 6. Two crossroads, each of which 10 meter, cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding crossroads. Give the answer in hectares. So let's see the solution. Length is given 700 meter and width is given 10 meter. So area of the road will come 700 into 10, so 7,000 meter square. Okay, now length of the road parallel to the breadth of the park, this is given 300 meter and the width of the road is given 10 meter. So area of this road will come 3,000 meter square. Okay, now area of the both roads, so we will add these two, 7,000 meter square plus 3,000 square, and common portion we will subtract. So 7 plus 3,000, this is 10,000 meter. Common portion is 10 into 10. So means 100 meter square. So 10,000 is 10,000 meter square minus 100 meter square. It will come 9,900 meter square. Now convert into hectare. So we will divide by 10,000. So answer will come 0.99 hectare. Now area of the park also we have to find. So L into P. So 700 meter into 300 meter. It will come 2,10,000 meter square. So area of the park excluding the roads will come 2,10,000 minus 9,900 meter square means 2,100 meter square. Now convert into hectare. So divide by 10,000. So it will come 20.01 hectare. Now see question number 7. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? See the solution. Radius of the pipe is given 4 cm. So wrapping cord around circular pipe. So formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 4. It will come 25.12 centimeter. Now again wrapping cord around a square. So square formula is 4 into side. So 4 into 4 it will come 16. So remaining cord is chord wrapped on pipe minus chord wrapped on square. So 25.12 centimeter minus 16 centimeter. Answer is 9.12 centimeter. So she left 9.12 centimeter chord. Now see question number 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. So find number 1, the area of the whole land. Number 2, the area of the flower bed. Number 3, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. And the fourth one, the circumference of the flower bed. So let's see the solution. So here length of rectangular lawn is given 10 meter and breadth is given 5 meter. So first, area of the whole land will come L into B. So L is 10 and B is 5. So it is 50 meters square. Second one, area of flower bed. So pi r square. So pi value 3.14 and r is 2. So 2 into 2. It will come 12.56 meters square. Number 3, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. So both the answers we have to subtract. 50 minus 12.56. It will come 37.44 meter square. Now the last one, the circumference of the flower bed. Formula 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 2. It will come 12.56 meter. Now see question number 11. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC given 22 centimeter, BM given 3 centimeter, DN given 3 centimeter and BM is perpendicular on AC and DN perpendicular on AC. Let's see the solution. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. So this is equal to the area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABC formula 1 upon 2 into base into height. So base is AC and height is BM. And area of triangle ADC formula 1 upon 2 into base is AC and height is DN. Now put the values. 1 upon 2 into 22 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 22 into 3. So 3 into 11 plus 3 into 11. So 33 plus 33, answer is 66 centimeter square. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD is 66 centimeter square. So scholars, your chapter number 11 completed. For worksheet, you can see the link given in the description box. Thank you everyone.